Room. There's Sam. There's Zig'em. There's Zig'em. Hi, Zig'em. Say hi. Hi, Zig'em. That's Sam. Say hi, Sam. Hi, Samantha. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Sam. This is Pua. This is a bad boy, Pua. This is a bad bird. That's Pua. Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba. This is Woody. This is Woody Bird. That's Woody. There's Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Where's Frank? Where's Frank, Charlie? Where's Frank? Huh? Where's Frank, Charlie? Sweet. Sweet Charlie. And then here's Cosmo. There's Cosmo. He's a very, very pretty bird. Yep. And this is Riley. He's a little shy. Riley. And then here's Paladin. Him pretty bird. Him Paladin. Yeah. Him likes to pluck feathers. Yeah. Paladin. And then here's Oz. Ozzy is our oldest, longest blue and gold. There's Boots. The Boots! What's wrong, Boots? What's wrong, Boots? What's wrong, Boots? There's Oz. So that's the bird room. Bunch of wild animals. Say hi, Shem. Hi, Samantha. Hi, pretty girl. Hello. Hi, Samantha.